Arita njira ya guthara bururi irima-ini ria kuhobanirio ni nduma ya mathire na maria riu gwa kahinda-ini gaka maraconeria muigana wa trilioni 6 ikiari gicunji kia 55 hari igana gya utonga wa bururi. Riu thirikari irathagania ndereti ya watho iria gwikirira muhaka hari mbeca iria ikombagwo nja ya bururi.
To make sure that we have discipline in our expenditure, we are working towards a fixed target. Whether 6 billion, whether 6 trillion, whether 8 trillion, whether 9 trillion, we know that we are slowly catching up and the target is ahead of us.
Na kuringana na minister wa ihinda wa kigina Ukur Yatani uria waritie hindi ya kuhingura kigomano kia rihia magoti wabici-ini cia KRA guku Nairobi ni ati kiria thirikari irekirira gwa kahinda-ini gaka ni kwamba kuriha mathire maria maraciara na ihenya na niguo mathabu mayo mahote kuiganana.
The target we are setting does not mean that we are going to borrow that amount. It's only the parliament that's going to fix the amount that will be borrowing through a presentation of the National Treasury, and we may ask to borrow 300 billion, but the parliament in their own wisdom said no, we are only approving half of that.
Nake kamishina munene wa urihi wa magoti ruhonge-ini rwa KRA Elizabeth Meo akoiga ni magathikite mitaratara ya kuhitana na aria makoretwo makiurira urihi wa magoti, akiuga marahuthira rekodi kuma kambuni-ini ya utambia wa thitima ya Kenya Power hamwe na NTSA na niguo kuhithurania aria matarariha magoti ma nyumba na magari.
From there we'll be able to know how many people are owning meters in this country, how many people own property, and how many of such are actually declaring their rental income to us. We also have data we are getting from other sources like NTSA. NTSA will give us data on everybody who is owning a vehicle in this country.
Emea wakoiga ruhonge rwa KRA rutiragagia hori biacara toria gukoretwo gukirikana, no hindi aria maratungio ngangambute ni aria makoretwo metuite nema kuhia.
We know in KRA from our database that you are having 1, 2, 3 you have not declared. Please declare within 14 days. We are giving you that self-declaration to do. So if you fail to do that, we will do the assessment ourselves and give you another 30 days to comply. If you fail to comply, we forward it now to the next level called enforcement.
Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.